Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at Long McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, your source for Ford news, update, and information with a special video on one of the packages that we just created for the 2023 Ford F-150. It's called the Tremor R and the Tremor 37 package. So if you want to take the nice the Tremor trim, and which is a very off-road capable vehicle, and take it to the next level like Ford is doing with the Raptor 37 and the Raptor R, we've got something for you that I think you'll like. So we're going to dive in, talk about this package. We're going to talk about how it comes from the factory first, how we equip them with the Tremor package and equipment we put on these, and then also what we include as part of the Tremor 37 and Tremor R packages. So if you like videos like this, hit the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time another video uploaded to your YouTube channel. Let's dive in, talk about some of the factory equipment first, and then we'll move into those different package equipment. Now from the factory, we do of course equip these are equipped as a Tremor, of course, because it is called the Tremor 37 Tremor R, right? So we equip these on the Tremor trim. And if you want to get more details exactly what's standard and what's optional on the Tremor, check out the video that I did, a complete guide video on the Tremor trim. And you can check that video. It's going to be linked up here, also at the end of this video, so make sure you check that out if you want to see the full details. We're just going to give you some of the highlights of this trim and how we equip it. So we start off, we're going to put these on the 401A equipment group. So last year in 2022, that actually was the kind of the mid package. Now that is a standard equipment for the Tremor. So it comes with some great standard features like you'd expect out of the Tremor. So this is your off-road capable vehicle. Takes that FX4 to the next level with the Tremor equipment. So it's going to be able to give you all those off-road capabilities as part of the Tremor. Upgraded suspension system, water fording is available on this as well, and you do have the skid plates underneath and all those great capabilities. Upgrades the gear ratio as well with your e-locker that's going to be standard with this, and again, of course, gives you all the accents too, so people know that this is something special with all the Tremor accents. You're going to see that, of course, the orange accents on the grill, the fender badging on the side. You're going to also get front and back body colored bumpers up here as well. For this does also a standard equipment. It's going to be similar to what you'd see maybe on the XLT 302A equipment group. So you're going to get the automatic headlights, their LEDs up there, LED signature lighting, LED fog lights, so full LEDs up there so you can see real nicely. On the back, not only going to get the rear view camera, but also you're going to get reverse sensing system on this so you can see as you're backing up, and you're going to get alerted back there too. It's going to come equipped with the trailer hitch, so you're going to have that hitch, the wiring as well, 4-pin and 7-pin wiring, and all the capabilities, smart hitch assist and all that that's going to come equipped normally with that. We equipped all these as well with, thinking of the bed back here, with an outlet in the back, so we'll have the 400-watt outlet equipped in there as well on the vehicle. Now getting in, it does have the intelligent access with push button start, so you don't have to get the keys out of your pocket to get in or out, or to start it. Comes with remote start and even has keypad entry as well right here. Now, of course, these will come with the front bucket seats with the big console in the middle, so flow through console for this. Leather wrap steering wheel, you'll get dual zone climate control, 12-inch touchscreen with the Sync 4 system that gives you the over-the-air updates. Of course, everything is on demand right there, so you can just slide that screen over. You have two different things there that you have capable of just pulling those over when you need them, the most frequently used apps and such. So full, all that equipment, of course, cruise control, everything else that comes along with that. So pretty well equipped on that 401A equipment group, including the most important things are the different drive modes that you get. Of course, you get a normal mode, an eco mode, you get a sport mode, slippery, mud rut mode, rock crawl mode that you get with the Tremor, including you do get the trail control, so it's like cruise control for the trail, one pedal trail drive as well, so if you want to go in that capabilities, you're going to get that as well with this. So all the capabilities to take this off-road on the trails, you know, whatever you want to do, take it to its courses, and so it's, as you can tell, it's pretty well equipped as a Tremor. You want to get all the full details, check out that video that that's linked right up here or at the end of the video if you want to get more details. But let's dive in. Let's talk about the Tremor 37 first, and then we'll talk about the Tremor R. Now let's talk about this Tremor 37 package and Tremor R package. We're going to first, a lot of similarities in both these two packages with two select differences in those. We'll get to that towards the end, but let's first talk about the things that are going to be comparable on both of them that comes with both of these, whether you go with the 37 or the R. And the first one is the upgraded suspension system, of course. Just like with Raptor upgrades their suspension on the Raptor 37, we're doing the same thing on our 37 or the R. It'll be an upgraded suspension system for this with a 2.5-inch front suspension lift as well to level this out, so that we are partnering with Rough Country to really give it a great, awesome suspension system, so you can take this to the next level. Much better suspension system than we get with the Tremor. I think you'll like how it's going to work out for you and how it's going to ride for you. Also, whether you go with the 37 or the R, you're going to have the fender flares over here. So they are painted fender flares with the marker on the front, the red one on the back. So it has a nice, cool fender flare. Kind of fill that out, just like trying to match it up as much as we can with the Raptor fender flares, and I think we've done a pretty good job with that. Now, with the 37 or the R, either one, they're both going to come with a 37-inch BF Goodrich KO2 tire, so it's 37 by 12.5 inch, so nice big tire, same tire that you get on the Raptor 37 and Raptor R, by the way. Also, we're going to match that with a nice 17-inch carbine by Black Rhino wheel here. So that is a 17 by 8.5 inch here, and we went real aggressive with this. Tell us what you think about this. So we wanted to go out of the box, something different we've never done on any other build. Tell us what you think of that. So we like it, but we like your opinion on it as well. Also, you're going to get the Gorilla lug nuts, so it does have a locking key for that. That are going to go on those as well. That's something we're including. So nobody takes those cool wheel and tires combination that you have here. So you're going to get that as well. Also going to get XPEL front window tint as well. You're going to do that. You'll get the factory privacy glass in these back windows and back glass. Also with this, you're going to get a spray and bed liner. So TOF spray and bed liner, it actually has a lifetime warranty here with Long McArthur. So you can get it done even if you don't live here close. We'll take care of any costs if there's any kind of problems with that. We've actually we haven't had any problems with ours in the past, but I think you'll like that. It'll work just fine for you. Also with this, whether you go with a 37 or the R, you're gonna have the 37 graphics on the fender over here and a bigger, bolder Tremor logo on the side over here. So we're gonna take the smaller Tremor one off, put a nice big one that covers up more of that fender over here. They will look different whether you go with the 37 or the R. So the R will get the bigger R back here with the red outline around that. Also on the hood, let's talk about that for a second, because whether you go with the 37 or the R, you're going to have the graphics out around those hood vents. And then we're going to add a pretty cool painted black hood scoop up there. We really like it. Gives it a nice bold look. It kind of gives it that, I don't know, we just really like the look of that. So it really builds it up there and gives it a tough, aggressive look on there. You will see this one has something on the side. We'll get to that in just a little bit when we talk about the Tremor R. So making sure I got everything covered. If you have the Tremor 37 inside, your seats will be the standard Tremor seat. So it's going to have the nice cloth insert or cloth seat there with the orange stitching. Of course, across the dash, you're going to have what comes included on the Tremor package as well. So that's all going to be included in your Tremor 37. Also, as part of the Tremor 37, it's going to come with a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine. So just like the Raptor 37 comes with the 3.5 liter engine, that's what you're going to see with this Tremor 37 as well. Now, if you want to go with the Tremor R, that is just like Ford does with the Raptor R. We're going to do the same thing with the Tremor, take it up to the R by giving you a supercharged V8 engine. So 5.0 liter V8 engine from the factory that we're going to put a Roush 705 horsepower supercharger on it. We'll have the cold air intake as well, and it's going to be Roush tuned by a Roush certified technician here at Long McArthur. We are one of the top 5 Roush dealers in the entire country, and because of that, it's because we sell and install so many superchargers. These guys are experts at this, so it'll be tuned as well to give you 705 horsepower, which will match it to the Raptor R, by the way, in horsepower. So you're going to have that as well. And then because of that, we're going to put the 705 horsepower supercharged graphic on that hood scoop as well. We're not done yet. We're going to upgrade the interior as well, just like Ford does with the Raptor R. We're going to upgrade the seats too. So these are a custom seat that we had designed just for Long McArthur. They're going to be leather trimmed with suede inserts. Love the orange stitching, matches perfectly with all the orange stitching around the vehicle. Inside the cabin also has the R embroidering on the headrest as well, and we're pretty happy about that. Even the back seats will have the suede and leather inserts on those 2 outbound seats with leather in the middle, so really brings everything together and gives it a nice look here. Now, everything we've talked about Whether you go with the 37 or the R, it's going to be covered under a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty by Long McArthur Performance, so you can have a peace of mind warranty. Even the Supercharger is going to be covered with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty as well. So hope you guys like this. We do have some of these in stock right now. Go to our website, longmcarthur.com, where you can find all of our inventory, including our Long McArthur Performance inventory. Click on that Long McArthur Performance logo at the top of the page, black and red logo there. Click on that. You can see all the different custom builds that we do for all the different models. Go to that F-150. You're going to find this Tremor 37 and R package link. Click on that. You can see all the details that I've covered with you. Video will be there, as well as all the current inventory that we have right now. And if we don't find one in the color you want one, let us know. We actually have some that are in production right now. We can get for you. We can also order them as well. We have allocations for F-150, so we can order some of these Tremors and get them in here for you if you'd like to have one of those. So we're pretty excited about this. Hope you do like it. If you did, smash that like button. Also, don't forget, if you're not subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button down below so you can subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single video when we upload them. And other than that, thank you for watching. Again, until the next video, be positive, be kind to one another, be kind to yourself, and we'll see you in the next video.